Hey, what's going on, guys? Dion and Nello Media coming back at you with some action here with the latest Cool 2.0 system. This particular system is fully loaded with 5 sensors, 4 subwoofer sensors, Voicecoil sensors, as well as an amplifier sensor. So I'm going to show you real quick how this thing kind of works. Go over a couple of little details with you. Try to keep it as short as possible. So of course, in this system, they all have the wireless displays. It's going to tell you your fan percentage, which would be the percentage that it's running at right now, power. Your SP1 is sub 1, SP2 sub 2, SP3 sub 3, SP4 sub 4, and your amplifier temperature sensor, along with your voltage. And then of course you have your internal battery indicator there in the bottom right corner. So that's that there. Of course we've got neodymium magnets incorporated into the casing, which will allow you to affix it to a metal panel, and also for it to go into the holster here, like so. So there's that. Right now we're running the system, and it's recommended to run it over the NeloVision Android app. So we've got this tablet set up, which gives you a lot of different options here. You get your maximum temperature, of course, that it's seen from the on cycle, and if you hold this down too, you can also set temperature thresholds. So for instance, if you want your maximum threshold to be set at 300, you can set this at 300, and it'll set kind of an alarm for you once it gets to that threshold. So that's that there. We also have full control over the NeloVision Cool system, which is right here, which is running these LEDs. Also running this fan, of course. So let me show you what I'm talking about here, and also you get your detailed voltage, your lowest voltage, highest voltage, starting voltage, current voltage. So right now here in the fan settings, you can actually adjust the speed as well as the temperature threshold. So right now I have the low threshold set at 30 degrees Fahrenheit, the high threshold set at 85 degrees. So from 0 to 30, the fan is going to be off. From 30 to 85, the fan is going to be at 50% output speed. And you can also adjust it like so. I'm going to bring this down a little bit just to kind of show you how it works. And then from 85 on up, the fan is going to go at 100%. So I'm going to save these settings, and you'll notice the fan speed kicks down because I adjusted the fan output there while we were on that menu. With the LED control, you can link it as you can with the fan to any one of the sensors. So if I go up here and select this, I can actually change the sensor that is connected to the LEDs. So that's what that represents. In this case, I've got the low LED color set at blue, which is what it's at right now, and that goes up to 225 degrees. From 225 to 270, it goes yellow, and from 270 on up, the lights will go red. So I'll show you how that kind of works. I've got my solder iron set up here with SP1, which is what the LEDs are linked to kind of simulate the your Voicecoil. So I'm going to crank this up here, and then just keep an eye on SP1 right there. And of course, it's also on the wireless display as well. So we're just going to watch this, and of course, once it gets up to 225, we're going to go yellow. You see we hit 225, lights went yellow, and then the next threshold, the highest threshold, is 270. So once we hit 270 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to go red, like so. So just wanted to kind of go over with you guys a little bit of how this system works. Very intuitive, very innovative, and appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks.